Hey guys, I am Imani Jones. I am the Princess Berry and you guys are my berry patch. Welcome back. I am on a journey to learn how to cook. Today is more like snacks or like little wellness things, but I want to take you guys, show you, I'll add screenshots or videos or whatever of what I'm following, kind of following. And let's just get right into it. So I'm making energy balls and green tea jello.
Lower your collagen levels and make your skin glow so that you look 10 years younger. Pour 1 liter of water into a pot and bring to a boil. Add 5 ounces of green tea and stir until it's fully dissolved. In a separate bowl, mix 200 grams of gelatin and cool water and stir it until it turns gooey. Pour in the green tea into a container, add some honey and squeeze in a lemon for that vitamin C boost. Add the gelatin and stir until everything is melted together. Let it sit in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours to harden. Eat 2 pieces of this jello every day for glowing, youthful skin.
I'm gonna start on my ball. Seems like enough. Maybe too many nuts. In the wrong side for a little bit. Could have sworn we had cinnamon. I couldn't find it. I looked on the cabinets twice, so I'm just gonna use this nutmeg and hope for the best. Water's at a boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 tea bags for probably maybe 15-20 minutes. Into the fridge they go. Things I should use. There are 4. I'll probably use 2 just to be safe. And this is the cup I'm using. this because it feels like that'll make it a bit healthier. Unfortunately, we don't have fresh ginger though. Expert, but it's supposed to get goopy. I feel like I may put more water than I needed. Are only like 1.8 grams. I need 200, so I'm just gonna hope for the best because I'm not getting more right now. There are seeds in it and I did not have enough gelatin, so honestly, even if it just comes out a bit solid, I'll still be happy with it. Maybe I'll just crumble it up, but yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. I'll put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. You guys saw it definitely was not perfect. I did not go exactly according to plan. I just switched stuff up a little bit, but hey, give me some grace. It's my first time doing all of this, but we will come back tomorrow for a taste test. Oh, I'm excited. Okay guys, I just got done giving it a taste test in a short with my mom, but here is what they look like. I will include my rating and my mom's rating. We definitely like the energy balls a lot more. They're still a bit too gooey, but not too bad overall. Thank you so much for joining the Berry Kitchen. I definitely want to continue making more items. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. I'm just getting these things off of Pinterest, but they usually don't even have full recipes, so I'm just doing my best. But if you like this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Hey guys, I'm trying to get more into cooking, and I made these energy balls and this green tea jello that I found on Pinterest, and my mom and I are gonna test it. She just came home and I asked her, and I'm gonna put her ratings, but as you can tell, she didn't like that first one, and honestly I agree with both of her ratings. One is more about health and one is more about actually tasting good, so I wasn't too surprised that we liked one more than the other. As you can tell from my face, I definitely understood where her apprehension was. Would I make these again? Maybe, because like I said, it is more about health. But I would definitely make these energy balls again. You can't really go wrong with a bunch of peanut butter in my eyes, so hey. Thanks for watching and healthy snacking.
No!
Hello guys, my sister is holding me hostage today to try some food that she have created, and hopefully I don't die. This first one has some type of powder in it that I don't know about, and green tea and honey, so let's try it.
You can keep chewing. Is it no? No, me and Mom didn't like it either.
That's nasty. I'm done. I sincerely passed out from this. This is a 0 out of 10. That's my rating for this.
It's about health though. It's about health.
This green tea jelly is 0 out of 10. But it's healthy for you, and you know what's healthy for you is not that good, I guess. Okay, now this next one is filled with a lot of peanut butters and balls. So let's try this one out.
It's thick. Still chewing. It's already making his posture better.
So I'm gonna give this one a 7.5. Way better than that jelly. Like, it blows it out of the water. I like how the peanuts taste. So many peanuts and balls in it. It's fulfilling to my mouth.
Yay!